Okay, let's talk about modifiers. So, modifiers are a critical part of working in Blender, similar to 3ds Max. They're a linear, layer-based procedural workflow. Basically, what that means is we can do operations that are non-destructive on our mesh. So, one of the best use cases I found is to mirror an object. So, go to your modifier tab, add a mirror modifier, and then we'll set this correctly. So we'll set this to the y-axis, turn on clipping, and this merging basically means that at the seam, the vertices will be merged, so we don't have any duplicates there. So now if we go to edit mode, it's automatically mirrored and we don't have to worry about it. We can stack this operation. Let's add a bevel modifier. And now we're manipulating less geometry, but we can still see a cleaner final product. It's a critical workflow.